undefeated. Every battle you've won. I am who you say I am. You crown me with confidence.
Mambo vipi? My name is Etemesi Ochola and I am glad you're here and I'm glad that you're watching. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this channel will be talking about my journey with sickle cell anemia, and you have, together with my wife, you have dubbed it Diary of Hope. We're not going to talk about the devastating effect of sickle cell, but you're going to talk about the positive things, the hope that is found in this journey of sickle cell anemia. Stay tuned, karibuni. Yani go and call your friends, call everyone, come, let them come and hear what I'm about to say. Now, what is sickle cell anemia? Sickle cell anemia is a blood condition, and this condition affects the red cell, the component of blood called red cell. Now, in a kawaida human being, the red cell is biconcave in shape. If you read your biology and you remember it, it's biconcave in shape. But in someone with sickle cell anemia, that red cell component is not sickled. It's not biconcave. It's sickle in shape. Now, what does that mean? It means that when the red cell is transporting oxygen to different tissue organs in the body, they get to clog when they are sickled. That means the oxygenated blood, the blood that is carrying the oxygen, does not reach to the organ that needed the oxygen. So, signal is passed to the brain that there is something wrong, and this pain and this signal is usually in form of pain. Either you feel pain. So sickle cell patients feel extreme pain. Someone said it's like labor pain. I've not been in labor, but I don't know. Someone said it's like labor pain. So it is very painful. Now, where does it start? How did it came to be? Is it a disease caused by a pathogen, a disease caused by insect, or because of bacteria? Or no. Let's go back. Let's go back to the origin, the theory behind it. It is being said that people who lived around large water bodies, Ocean Lake, ocean, and all that, they used to get malaria often. They still are. So if you travel to Kisumu, you get malaria. If you travel to Mombasa, you get malaria. Now, this frequent malaria symptoms, or people getting frequent malaria every time, made their body to mutate. Now, their body mutated and prevented them from getting malaria. What an exciting news. Yani, si hata kumwanaumu mara ngapi, yani malaria wapati. Hao ndio si wataingia kwa room, tala naye umbu zikam zikuume upate malaria, but yako tu sawa. So these are the polymutated. Now, when these two people, a male and a female, come together and mate, they produce an offspring that has sickle cell gene. Now, these sickle cell gene people are the ones we call the warriors. Now, their red cell is the one which changes shape because of that gene that was interfered. The gene that the parents had, when it came to them, it caused them to produce red cells which are sickle in shape and not the biconcave that we know about. Now, that's where the scientists, researchers suspect where sickle cell came about. As for me, the first time I was diagnosed with sickle cell, it was a time that I turned 7. I turned 7 years. I celebrated my 7th birthday. I was actually born a healthy child. I was chubby. I was active. I was not getting frequent pain and crises. But now, when I reached 7 years, pain ilinichapa kunichapa, my friend. So we went to different people to get help. One of the things about this pain is that it like deforms when the pain comes. Like you have having pain on your arm. Kama unaona mkono inajikunja bana. Kama ni mguu, you can't walk. So we used to go kama ni mtu wa Kongeni Ololo, we used to go to someone called Ogejo. Ogejo alikuwa amesajiwa same mbaya. Now this Ogejo guy alikuwa to massage so that we can be tukwe flexible to as in upone. But every time I went to Ogejo, I became worse. Sababu alikuwa ni kama anaizidisha. So we went to Mombasa for holiday, I remember. And I think my mom was advised to go to Makadara so that they can do a sickling test. So I went there. We did the test. I remember that day clearly. Did the test. But the results came out. And I was positive of sickle cell anemia. Yes, that's where I was diagnosed with sickle cell anemia. And this is my journey with sickle cell anemia. Stay tuned. See you next time. Call yourself to subscribe. Asanteni sana.